Okay. Hi guys, today we'll be attempting Codeforces round 1098 virtually. Let's go. Mm-hmm. Uh, Number is divisible by 3 using numerical. It can be 0, 1 or 2. Okay. Greedy. Number of 2's and 1's. Select a non-empty subsequence of W whose sum is divisible by 3 and remove the elements from W. Okay. So the input is always divisible by 3 and we just need to two, three, four number of number of ones and number of zeros. 500. Okay, submit the code. No, wait, I need to participate virtually first, right? And me. I know where I'm. Dun, 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 dun. Contest is over, yeah, I know. Give me virtual participation, man. Yeah, sure. Just 200 people, okay. It's time to escape while wants to lead the final hit. Land the final hit. In a playing field, conditions of in positions arranged in a circle for each position 1 to less than n, 1 to n minus 1. Okay. Positions I and I plus 1 are adjacent, so the positions 1 and n are also adjacent. Initially at time 0, Rem who wants to catch her is at position x1 and the running is x2. Each second the following happens in order. Remelia either moves to an adjacent position or stays in place. For the entire game she must move to an adjacent position at most k times. So maximum she can move k times, okay. Adjacent position. Oh, who is calling me? Just a minute, guys. Who is calling me? हाँ बोलना.
3 झाले का?
Okay, we are back. Is the song playing? Yeah, let's just switch off this. Okay, so at most k positions, the runner can move at most k position after observing his actions, either moves to an adjacent position or stays in place. So he always wants to move closer. He never wants to stay in place. If they are at the same positions after both actions catches, then the game ends. Assume both players play optimally. Always tries to minimize the catching distance while always tries to maximize it. Find the number of seconds until he catches him. So, uh, Excalibur. Uh, does he always catch him? Moves to an adjacent position or stays in. Over the entire game, she may move to an adjacent position at most k times. So in the first n x1 x2 and k, n x1 x2 k, n x1 x2 and k. So this is one distance and you can move at lowest one. So 1 2 and x this is 2. This distance is 4 and 2 6. So this minus a, okay. Import Java. Okay, I'll just copy this. So Control C, Control V. Why can't I copy this? Okay, and in this too, it's just not math plus min. The remaining ones and twos can also make uh, the shit, right? So let me read the question once again. It must always be a multiple of 3, so we can remove those. So if remaining rook uh, minimum equals to min equals to math dot min of p and q, and then int remaining equals to math dot absolute of p minus q. So this will be plus minimum and plus if there are ones remaining. Uh, if there are ones remaining, so I by 3, and if there are twos remaining, there are 6 twos, there are 5 twos, so you can remove 3, so 5 by 3, so directly by 3, so remainder divided by 3. Okay. Import java dot util dot public class b int n equals to 0, and then we take int n6, just a second. We take int n equals to c dot next, control c, the position. Why is my control piece not working? And a equals to c dot next int, then int b equals to c dot next int, and finally int a equals to c dot next int. So system dot out dot println, it is uh, a and b, so difference between a and b. So math dot absolute of a minus b plus k, so that much if we need to cover, and that, so this should work. 1226, yeah, this works. Then question number 3, in how much time did I solve it? 15, sure. Okay. Number 6, no, and number easy version. Is there any test cases? 10 to the power 4, 2 into 10 to the power 8, so int will be able to handle it, right? Or is it? Uh, okay, we'll find it later, let it go. No, it's a circle, right? So it is either this distance or that distance. So if it is this, then it is n minus this plus, what I'm saying is, where's Excalibur? Excalibur, I want the minimum distance. It's not just a minus b, it is either a minus b, so it's a circle, right? It's a circle. Let's assume these are the points. Okay, n equals to 5. So it's not, if it is, let's say 2. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A is 2 and B is 4. So it's not always maths of minimum of B minus A. It is either this or this. So it will be n minus this. Math minimum of this or n minus this. So math dot minimum of this a minus b comma math dot minimum is of a minus b, or n minus math Okay, so math dot minimum of math dot absolute of this, or n minus math dot absolute of this plus k. So this should work too at most k distance. So yeah, it's done. Question number 3. See, this is the easy version of the problem. The difference between the version is that is this version equals to, you can only have version of this problem. You are given a non-negative integer a and a non-negative integer or a positive integer. Non-negative is 0 and above. A strictly increasing sequence of digits of length n, of digits, a strictly increasing of digits the length n. Okay, so 0 to 9 any digit, but it is strictly increasing. What does that mean? You are given a strictly increasing sequence of digits of length n, where each digit comes 0, strictly increasing. Okay, find the minimum value of a minus b over all non-negative integers b whose decimal representation contains only digits from d. Find the minimum value of a minus b, and what is b? Integer b whose decimal representation contains only digits from d. So input is first line of contains the number a and of length n. A 0 and of length n. So 0 say of length n. You are given a non-negative integer a and a non-empty strictly increasing sequence of length n. Strictly increasing sequence of length n. Find the minimum value of this difference where b whose decimal representation. Find the minimum value of a minus b over all non-negative integers b whose decimal representation contains only digits from d. So 1 2 is 12 and 2, so 12 11 22. So this is 3333 or 343 or 333. Okay, so minimum distance is 111, so we need to print that. Okay, so from only digits these we need in this n equals to 2. There are only 2 integers, so number of combinations are either this what all numbers, a 2-digit number. Let's say there is a and b, so what all possibilities are there? There's a and there's b, so what all we can do, if there is a 3-digit number, so what we can do, it is either closer to 2-digit number or 4-digit number or 3-digit. A 2-digit number can be a b b a b b. A 3-digit number can be a. Okay, so we need the maximum from here. So maximum will be maximum and minimum, maximum and minimum, and in here we need minimum, so it will be all minimum. Here it will be all maximum, max max and min. Okay, these two, and another in here 3 digits. So there will be A B A B B B A. Let's assume A is greater than B. So what all, there's A which is minimum, there is B, there is A B, there's B A, there's B B, then there's A B A B B, then there's B B B, then there is A. So n digit number. So these are n minus 1. This is n plus 1. Okay, and this is n digit number. So our n digit number can be anywhere between 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need to find the minimum of these numbers. Okay, so do we need to brute force it? What's the minimum distance? There's a search we need to do. The closest number to this. So there's an array of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digit. A 6-digit array and the closest number to that. So these are in increasing order. So we'll do a search. We'll find the middle 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, n by 2, 3. But this, if there's, so we'll mark this. We'll mark this, and there's a number closer here. Okay, we need to perform a search. Let's write a code for that. Import java.util c1 nt, and we take a number and we take n. We take a number that is a, and we also take the length of this, and then in x equals to new int of size a. It is 2 this time, so we don't need. Okay, let's consider this n, right? If this we can do this. So if we'll do the hard version, the easy one gets solved easily. So for n equals to these are in increasing orders, right? Yes. Now we need to find the closest number to a, which can form from the digits of x. The closest number. What is a number? A number is made of digits. Let's say this has 4 digits. Now we have 1, 1, 1, 1, and there are numbers 2, 3, 4, 5. So we need a closest number from this. So brute force, what we can do, either we can approach, if this is the closest number to this is 22222. So brute force is 22222. Let's consider a different number. Let's consider 900. Okay, and there's 2345. I'm saying is, let's consider 900 is our A, and we have got 2, 3, 4 as our digits. So we need a closest number to this. So what we can do, uh, the maximum number, 2-digit number is 44. The minimum 4-digit number is 2222, and there's 3-digit number which we can make from these. And now for this, okay, 2, 3, 4, there's 9 here. So the closest is this one. So we'll put it here. Then these automatically get sent to max. But if it was 324, 326, 362. Okay, A is 362. So a 3. So 3 is a match. So let's just set our first number here, 3. And there's 6. We need a 6 here. What's the closest number to 6? The closest number to 6 is 4. So it is 4. Okay. Let's consider number 365, and there's 247 here. So how can we find, there's 77, there's 222, and there's 3 digits number. Okay, 3 digit number we need. So what we'll do, 365, it is 300 plus 60 plus 5. Okay, so closest we can do from here, it is 300, right? So what we can do is 400 or 200. This depends on the earlier numbers. Is it DP? Because the choice of digit in here changes the choice of digit from here and here. So let's assume 36. We have 36 here. The closest number is 274, right? You have 427. 274 and 427 from 365. 30, 60, and here it is 60, 30. 65 plus 6, 26, 11, 71 from 274, and from 427 it is 35 plus 27. 12 and 62. 62. So 427 is the closest. So let's assume in DP. Where's the eraser? In DP we have got 4 2, and that is 365. So what? Oh no, we can repeat the numbers, right? So it will be 422. 422. 35 plus 22. 57. Is there any other way? 277. 3. 23 plus 65. No. It's not 200, it's from 3. 400. Okay, 422 is the least number. So we have found 4 2, and it is 365. So how will we get to here? Okay, 422. 4 and 2 we have already found out. Now we need to choose a digit from 4 to 7 which is closest to 365. 4 to 2, it is brute force. Is it brute force? Uh, I'm blank, but let's just go. We have found 4. Why is this? So the minimum number from here, if A is this, so it will be the minimum number. Let's take their example. What have they given? 333 and okay, this one is easy, I think. We just need to compare this, that. Let's say uh, 4. A number is 401 and it is 234. So if we take 4, the least smallest number will be 2 2. But here it can be 344. If we'll consider 9, then 399, which is the closest. This is n. So we'll take a lesser number and we'll go maximum. If we take the same number, then we go for the next digit and we'll do the same for that. Okay, what I'm saying is, if for a digit, let's say 3-digit number and it's 401 and there's 2349, so 4, it comes here. It will be either above that, below that, or same. So if below, it will be the smaller number from here and the maximum numbers always. Okay, if we'll take one d minus ith digit as first digit, if we take d plus ith digit as first digit, such as if it was 5 here, so 5 2 2 in the case of 499. Okay, or 501. Okay, we'll pass that. Okay, to the number 499. If there was no 9 here, it was a 0 1 2 3 4 5. So 0 1 2 3 4 5 and the number was 499. So 500 will be the closest number. So the maximum number, sorry, d plus 1 digit and minimum maximum. If we take d8 digit, same if it was present. So 4 is present. Okay, 4, now with this and this, it is 0 here. We need to apply the same process over and over again. Elemental. uh, okay, these are the numbers, so we'll divide it, right? So int temporary equals to our number mod our number, we want this number divided by 10 to the power. So we need to find how many digits there are. While we just store it, okay, and temp equals to a, while temp is greater than 0, temp equals to temp divided by temp, and we'll do plus t. plus d. So 400 becomes 423 becomes divided by 10. 423 divided by 10 is 420. 420 divided by 10 is 42. 42 divided by 10 is 4. No, we don't need like this. We need mod is the remainder. These are the number of digits. Okay, number of digits. And for I plus and now and then again temp equals to a temp. Yeah, okay. I'll be signing off here. Just wait a second. Let me check if we can upload our solutions. If there's no virtual contest, then we are done because I don't think we'll able to do C in time. What's the time? 45 minutes. Yeah, sure. No worries. Let me just see if I can upload my solution. Contest is oh yeah, I know the contest. So I want to attempt it virtually, man. Just a single person wrote this. Yeah, sure. No worries. I can't submit it, right? No. Okay. We are done, yeah, guys. Bye. Love you, Shavni.